What's happening? Welcome. Appreciate you pressing on that play button. I'm Willie Williams. Glad y'all going on to join me. So we got a judge who is out here who done snapped on one of these babies out here with a bonnet on. I don't know why this little bit about his beautiful sister, this beautiful queen, comes to she went to court. She came to court with a bonnet on and spaghetti straps. This game is spaghetti straps and shit. Damn it, Your Honor say, I know good as hell well you ain't came up here to see me like this, right, yo? Y'all don't believe me? Let's go ahead on and watch.
I want you at the podium. What exactly are you wearing?
I'm sorry.
You have a swimsuit on to me.
No, it's not a swimsuit, and I did not know this was a court date. I just told the lady back there that I'm not dressed properly for court at all.
Really? Yes, you are not. I agree with that 100%. That's very insulting to me that you would come into my courtroom dressed like that.
I apologize. I had no idea it was in as a visit and not a court date. So I was unaware that this was a court date. Because she wrote on the back of the car a visit. So it was never said that this was a court date.
What?
All right, this is case number 23CR4.
Sometimes when you hear stuff, you just got to say, all right. When you don't feel like arguing players, I want y'all to pay attention. Just, all right. You didn't know there was a court date, but you had to come down here to court and you sitting in the courtroom. You knew that you were going to have to sit in the courtroom. You came down to court like that. Let's just do that. You came down here like that. You didn't know there was a court date, though. Okay.
40542, the state of Ohio versus Monique Smith. Ms. Smith, the court has received a report that alleges that you have violated the terms of your ILC. Officer, statement of the allegation, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Smith has violated ILC condition number 1, and then on June 11th of 2025, the defendant pled guilty to and was sentenced for 1 count of OVI and 1 count of driving under suspension. This was in Middletown. And then on June 11th, the defendant pled guilty and was sentenced for another count of driving under suspension under a different case number, also in Middletown. On December 10th.
I be saying a lot, like, I just don't understand how all of y'all, like, so many of y'all younger women just don't have no damn license. Whether y'all have them or whether they are suspended, either which way, y'all ain't got no damn license. What's going on out here in these streets? Y'all got to educate me.
2024, the defendant pled guilty to and was sentenced for 1 count of driving under suspension, or under an OVI suspension, under a case in Middletown. And on July 12th, 2024, the defendant pled guilty to and was sentenced for 1 count of driving under suspension. As well as ILC condition number 8, the defendant has failed to inform her probation officer of law enforcement contact after picking up a new OVI charge and another traffic offense on March 24th of 2025. Special condition number 16C, the defendant failed to complete drug or alcohol treatment as ordered on February 1st of 2024.
So she been DUI.
Special condition 16D, the defendant has failed to complete mental health treatment as ordered on February 1st, 2024. Special condition 16E, to date, the defendant has failed to pay restitution in full as ordered on February 1st, 2024. And finally, special condition 16F, to date, the defendant has failed to obtain her GED as ordered on February 1st, 2024.
And you ain't got your GED a little bit. So you ain't got no education yet. You ain't got no education yet, but you around here driving on suspended license and shit like that right there. You got to take mental health classes and shit like that. You ain't even got your GED. You ain't went back to school, baby. Listen, I think that you can take your... No, I think that you got to go down there. All right, go ahead.
Ms. Smith, do you understand those allegations?
Yes, sir.
You have a right to be represented by counsel. If you cannot afford an attorney, I will appoint one for you. Do you have the funds to hire an attorney?
I do not.
Do you want me to appoint you one?
Obviously, that baby ain't got one.
Yes, please.
Gotta appoint that baby one because, hell, females that technically get representation for free anyway. So, they don't never have the money. Well, not never, but 99% of the time they don't have the funds to acquire representation.
I was handing you an affidavit of indigency that you need to sign.
Okay. Right?
Look at my name. This how she came around there. I want y'all to think about this right here. She got up, she got dressed. If you want to call this here dress. She got in the car or she caught the bus or somebody had them dropped off. You know what I'm saying? She walked outside like this. She got in the car, bus, whatever. She got to the courthouse, wherever they parked at, she had to walk on around and walk on up in the court. She had to go through the metal detector to take all that stuff out. I can almost guarantee you from the time that she left her house, she's never covered herself up. She hasn't been walking with her arm across her like she doing that in front of the judge. See, now she's playing this. I am so embarrassed because I didn't know that it was a damn court date. I bet she's somebody's mama.
Why is she not in custody?
Your Honor, Ms. Smith, despite her noncompliance with court orders, she has continued to drug test negative, and she has appeared for order to reports after they were issued.
So she been peeing negative. So she been clean. She ain't been on that reefers.
Thank you.
That's why she ain't in cuffs. Okay.
All right, the court will find that you're indigent for the purposes of retaining counsel. The court will appoint attorney Roger Bouchard to represent you in this matter. Court finds that there's probable cause you have violated the terms of your ILC, and this matter is going to be set for final hearing.
Oh, she violated. Oh, so she violated her little probation or something like that. Oh shit, she should still be in cuffs. Right?
Ms. Smith, I don't know what you expect. Looking at your record, this isn't your first contact with the court, but
She expect y'all to just give her that slap on the wrist like the law typically does females. Y'all keep letting them slide, and this is what happens. And they don't give it that. They don't take it serious. They do not take it serious.
I'm not sure what you've expected or what you have done in other courtrooms, but this is very different. I'm going to hold you to what I ordered you to do.
Yes.
So you owe significant amount in restitution.
It's $11,433.
You have been on ILC for over a year.
And she ain't paid back nothing, huh?
You have not done anything, and you continue to break the law.
And break the law at the same time. So she's on this type of probation thing that she's not done what the judge had ordered her to do, right? So that's already in violation of whatever probation that she's already on, and she's still not in handcuffs. And she has committed some more crimes. Got it.
The next time you appear before me, you better have a solid plan in place, or you are going into custody. Do you
I don't believe that.
understand me?
Yes.
You owe $11,000 to the victim in this case. You don't seem to care that I've ordered you to do things. You come to court dressed very inappropriately, and I'm telling you right now, I don't know what your contact with the court has been in the past, but it's going to be different when you come in here to see me again. Do you understand me?
Yes.
See, and now you're trying to get real deep voiced on her. You know what I'm saying? He's trying to step down on that baby. And of course she's going to agree with everything, because right at this moment she do understand that if I slip up, I can be arrested right now. See, this different than being outside dealing with the cops and how they be talking to the police, because y'all be real slick with the police. But in court with the judge, y'all automatically know if y'all give the judge a hard time, you out of here.
Next time I see you, if you haven't done something, you are going into custody. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
If you ain't done paid these people nothing, you going into custody. I don't believe that either.
That's all.
I don't believe none of that fly shit. I promise you. Listen, Linda, if you're listening to me, I'm just trying to tell you something because of the simple fact of if her, right there, that beautiful sister right there, she cute. All right. And she cute. She got a little weight on her, you know what I'm saying? But if it was said in the community, if it was a known thing in the community that if you do not do what the judge say do, your ass gonna get locked up, she would have did what the courts say do. But because women watch other women get away with a whole bunch of shit and nothing ever happens, this is why they be playing with y'all judges. And then y'all go on to get all in your feelings, and now you want to talk deep as though you come back in my courtroom, then it's gonna be a problem. Y'all be talking. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Shout out Baby I for being out there with her bonnet. Her hair ain't dead. That's the only reason that we get to see the bonnet. See, when the hair did, we get to see the hair. When the hair ain't dead, we get to see the bonnet. You know what I'm saying? And that baby came out there with a pescetti scrap, trying to entice people and shit like that right there. Damn it, I wish that we could have saw her walk up to the podium, because that would have been really a real good shot. Yeah, no, it would have been something for you. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the situation. Y'all, that baby said, I didn't know that this was like a court, like a court thing. I thought that this was like a little meeting. That's what that baby said. Like, it was like a little, I just come in and hey there and just go on by my back. I didn't know. Believe all women. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm out of here, man.